Good morning, students. Today we will discuss third chapter of class 10th, linear equations in two variables. Now let us have an introduction of linear equations in two variables. In the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers. Some examples of pair of linear equations in two variables are x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 10, and 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Some more examples you can recall from class 9th also, like 5x is equal to y minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, etc., etc. Do you know what do they look like geometrically? See, we are just discussing linear equation. The name linear itself shows that they will make a line. So geometrically or graphically you will have a line for these equations. Now let us recall that you have studied in class 9 that the geometrical or graphical representation of linear equations in two variable is a straight line. Can you suggest what a pair of linear equations in two variable will look like geometrically? Obviously, definitely there will be two straight lines. If we have three graphs, then three straight line, and these two lines will be considered together. So you have also studied in class 9 that given two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Just recall, just pause the video and try to recall what these three possibilities. Just try to recall, pause it for 2 minutes and try to recall and write down in your copy. Okay, now let me show you what are three possibilities. First of all, the two lines will intersect at one point, intersecting line. The two line will not intersect, that is they are parallel. And if two lines will be coincident. Let us have examples for these things with the figure. First of all, this, just pause the video and try to recall what kind of pair of linear equations it is. Answer it, just write down this in your copy. Okay, now let me show it to you. What is it? It is figure A and these are intersecting line. Next, I will tell you the geometrical representation as well as the algebraical method to check whether two lines are intersecting line, parallel line or other line. But now, first of all, we'll start with graphical. Now, next is this. What can you say about these two lines? Pause it once and check what you decide. Write down in your copy. Okay, so now just verify it. Yes, the figure B is of two parallel lines. Now third one, see what you can find here in figure C. Just try to write it, pause a video and write it, and then yes, these two lines are coincident lines. So these three are examples of various possibilities for pair of straight line in graphically or geometrically. So now we will discuss graphical method of solution of pair of linear equation. With the help of example we will discuss it. So let us have example. Two rails are represented by two equations, 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. We have to represent this situation geometrically. I think all of you have idea how to draw a line. In class 9th you have studied. Just pause it and try to make pair of lines. After that we will discuss the solution. Okay. Now let me tell you how to make. We will find point-wise solutions. Means we have to take value of one variable in the form of other. Look at this. For this equation, 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, we will write it as 2x minus y is equal to minus 1, and it gives you y is equal to 2x plus 1. So put x is equal to 0, it gives you y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 2, it gives you y is equal to 5. Similarly, we will make a point solution for line 2, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. It gives you y is equal to 9 minus 3x. See, when you put x is equal to 3 here, it gives you y is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to minus 1, it gives you y is equal to 6. So, by the use of these 2 point solutions, we will make two lines in a Cartesian plane. Can you make it now? Okay, just pause it and try to make it. Okay, done. So, just verify your graphical representation with the graphical presentation which I have shown you. Here this red color dot point gives us a solution point. Actually the point solution is a point of intersection of these two lines in a graph. So here we have got this red point. When we drop a perpendicular from red point to x-axis and to y-axis, it gives us x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So similarly, you can try lots of questions related to graphical methods of solutions of pair of linear equations. Children, first exercise of chapter 3 is very easy. In that exercise, simply you have to write the equation as per the conditions given to you in exercise. And for very next exercise, you have to solve linear equations geometrically. By this method, you can solve them geometrically. So please try questions related to them, and then after that I will explain you the very next method. In the meanwhile, while doing this exercise, if you find any problem, please ask problem, and then I will show you the solution of that problem. Thank you.